Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82. So I decided to go ahead and join the One Pallet Challenge. Got some projects I've been meaning to do anyways. And as you can see, I've got a stack here of pallets. I got another stack down over here. And that one right there, that's not the one I'm going to be using though. But although it is a lot of nice, good oak, that's all oak. And those are solid 1x and 4x in there. We're going to be using this one. Yep, these are 1x6s all the way down, minus those two, but it goes clear down all 8 feet. Now I'll only be using half of the wood, well, one as per the directions for that Brad set forth over at Brads Workbench. I'll put a link to his channel up here. And but then 4x4 oak, another 4x4 oak. And then this beam right here, that's just a 2x. So, but the 4x's and these 1x6s are what I'm after, and it's gonna afford me to be able to do that whole project. Anyways, I got all that. I still got to move off, and then we'll get to ripping this boy down real quick. So, hold on. All right. So what I'm gonna start off with is just sectioning them off right where I want them. Every couple blocks that'll give me the sizes that I want, and we'll start ripping it apart with a Sawzall. After that, it makes it a little easier with the Sawzall that way too. So that sucks. I just hit a nail on the bottom fucking last cut. So, alright. Should come apart though. Alright guys, so I got my 3 pieces. One right there, this piece, another piece right down here I was balancing off of. Red oak. How nice is that? Another chunk right there. So that's going to be about the length I want them. I'll be able to trim them better. Have to use the Sawzall. I don't have a fancy dancy bandsaw or a chop saw or a table saw to really do things really nice, or router. At least not here. But going to be ripping these up, cutting the nails clean off with the Sawzall, rather than try to pry this stuff apart. I learned that a long time ago. It just goes way faster with the Sawzall. You just rip the nails clean off, and gives you kind of a screw hole for later. And we'll see why. We'll just punch out those later on. We'll punch out the nail heads. Lickety split makes it real easy, and then we'll go from there. But time to rip stuff apart, and yeah, the chain on this guy took a little bit of damage from a nail right down there. Go figure. Anyways, move you guys back and we'll start ripping some stuff up.
I can't see my face. It's alright.
All right, folks, so I've got her all cut up. One nice little pile here. This will be what I'm using. Now, you see this other pile here, that's the rest of that pallet that I'm just gonna cut up and probably do the same thing, or at least have leftovers if I need to build more. And if not, well, it all makes great firewood over at the CRP with Willie, Tack, and Brenda whenever we get together over there. So, which that'll be in a few more weeks. They did have a trip planned down to Kansas, had some stuff pop up, won't be able to go down there with them. So, it is what it is. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get to finishing that up. Oh, come on, damn it. All right, finishing that up, get stuff cleaned up, stuff restacked, and get this packed away, and see you guys soon as I can to finish off the rest of this project. I got till the beginning of May. Today is the 9th of April, so when this video airs, I have no idea. So, if we're lucky, within the week. But we'll see, and we'll see you guys on the turnaround for the next part. And there's a goose flying up. Oh, just missed him. Anyways, back to it. Hey everybody, Brandon Bearded CB82. We're gonna try to whip this out real quick. As you see, I still got all my pallet wood here off of that portion of the pallet. My little project. So focus, damn thing. We're gonna go ahead, probably speed things up a little bit. I gotta try to rush and get this stuff done anyways, and I gotta move some stuff around in the back of the truck later after I get the video done. But we're gonna go ahead and rock out our little project and show you what we have when we're done. So stay tuned. Alright, so no fancy hand tools. We've just got sawzall, screw gun, tape measure, speed square, and got my marks made for what I need, and I'm gonna go from there. There we have it. Get you guys in a little closer. So here it is, my brand new 2-tier garden box. So yeah, not really pretty. Still got to finish putting in the bottom. And I'll cut them off with the Sawzall, the little bitty extra that I have right there. Or I might leave that on there, I don't know yet. Plenty to do yet as far as that goes. Didn't have to be pretty, just had to work, and funny you say that about a few other things. But this will definitely work good. This is going to be for herbs and yeah, primarily herbs, maybe radishes. Not too shallow for radishes, but we're definitely going to be putting dill, basil, so on and so forth in this little bitty 2-tier. It's high enough up I can put mint or whatever along the bottom here. Might have to worry about rabbits, but the stuff up here gives it a deeper base, good to go along with, and it's oak. So this will last me a little while, and outside of the cost of screws and some time, those of you wondering, I use the GRK. Focus, you freaking. There we go. Style screws, they work awesome. But yeah, other than that, just gonna go ahead and get this whipped out, and there she be. Hopefully this works for the One Pallet Challenge. Links down below to everybody that involved. Brads Workbench, JK Canvas, Will. Had your first name there, your channel name was kind of escaping me for a second. Links to those guys down below. They're kind of heading up the whole ordeal, and a number of other people, I guess, are getting in on this too. Focus. There we go. So there you have it. Remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody can die, and yeah, I actually do own a DeWalt tool. It just happens to be like really old and corded. It's like 15 years old. Love this thing. Later.